Hello and welcome to my Carolina homestead. My name is Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make sweet gum tincture. We use this tincture in the fall and winter months to alleviate cold and flu symptoms. If you live in the Carolinas, these sweet gum seed pods are readily available, and now is the time to be harvesting those if you would like to make a tincture with me today. Sweet gum trees are not only beautiful, but they also offer some incredible health benefits thanks to the resinous compounds found in their seed pods. And you can see the seed pod is round and green and sort of star-shaped, sort of like a virus. And one of the best ways to harness the antiviral benefits of this particular plant is to make a tincture. The supplies you'll need to make a sweet gum tincture are your sweet gum seed pods. You'll also need a high-proof alcohol like vodka and a jar to store them in. You can use a knife, a cutting board, and a strainer, and a mallet if you have one. Again, this is what they look like close up. Right now they're green, which is the perfect time to be harvesting these for tincture. You're probably more familiar with these from what they look like in late fall, where they're very brown and dried up and just sort of laying all over your property. To start off, I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and cut off all the little stems off the seed pods and add them to a bowl. Now that the stems have been removed from the seed pods, I'm just going to cover them in water and add a little bit of vinegar just to make sure they're nice and clean. I'm going to let these soak for about 10 minutes and then I will get ready to prepare them for the tincture. Now that the seed pods have soaked and they've been rinsed really well, I have layered a couple towels onto my countertop, and I do have a cutting board underneath. I am going to use a mallet, and the reason for the cutting board underneath is to make sure that I do not damage my granite countertops as I smash these seed pods with this mallet. This part does take a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of time, but all you need to do is take a mallet and smash open the seed pods until you can split them by hand, and then just drop them into your jar. I'm just going to continue to do this until I have smashed all of the seed pods and loaded them into my jar, and then I will be ready to add the alcohol for my tincture. If you don't have a mallet and you have a pair of heavy-duty kitchen shears, you can also use those to cut the seed pods. They are pretty stiff and it is a little difficult, but it is another option for breaking those in half. You can also use a really sharp knife and a cutting board if that's what you choose to do, but I do prefer using the mallet just to smash those up. Now the seed pods have all been split and they are ready for me to add the alcohol. Before I continue, let me tell you the benefits of sweet gum tincture. The sweet gum seed pods contain an ingredient called shikimic acid, which is a key ingredient in the production of Tamiflu, which is an antiviral medication that's used to fight flu and viruses. Traditionally, sweet gum tincture has been used to help relieve respiratory issues like congestions from colds and even bronchitis. A few drops of this tincture in tea or a little bit of water can help clear mucus and soothe a sore throat. It also contains a compound that can help reduce inflammation, making it useful to treat mild aches and pains. It's also especially beneficial for those that are dealing with arthritis and even muscle soreness. It can be used to ease ingestion and other minor stomach issues. A small dose of this tincture can help stimulate digestion and soothe an upset stomach. So now all I'm doing is pressing in the seed pods into the jar, and I'm covering them with 100 proof vodka. I prefer the 100 proof, but you can use 80 proof if that's what you have on hand. You just want to make sure that your seed pods are completely covered with the vodka before you cover them and store them. Once that's done, you're going to cover your jars and store them in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks shaking them occasionally. I will do mine every 3 or 4 days. When the 4 to 6 weeks is up, you will just strain your tincture, discard your seed pods, and just store your tincture in a cool, dark place. Once your tincture is ready, the common dosage is going to be about 10 to 15 drops in water or tea, but I always start with a smaller amount if this is your first time using this tincture, just to see how your body responds. There you have it. It's a simple, natural way to turn those spiky sweet gum seed pods into a potent herbal remedy. Making your own tincture is a great way to connect with nature and support your health in a holistic way. I hope that you have enjoyed this video today. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell for more videos coming soon. See you next time and take care.